Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson, Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram, beautiful Bradenton, Florida. I just took in this 2016 Kia Sedona LX. Super nicely equipped vehicle. Has front and rear parking sensors on it. It does have a nice LED daytime running lights in the front. It is aluminum alloy wheels, has power windows, power door locks obviously, and does have the automatic side doors as well. As you can take a look here, it does have the leather seating in it. Very nice leather wrapped steering wheel. It does have Bluetooth, backup camera, Sirius XM capable, push button start. Does have automatic folding mirrors, so whenever you turn the vehicle off, the mirrors are automatically fold in. Does have seating for 8, so it's actual 8-passenger vehicle. There's actually 3 seats back there. Really nice vehicle. This thing only has 16,637 one-owner original miles on it. So to find out more about this vehicle and others like it, contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169, or you can visit our website at www.firkinscj.com, and we'll see you soon.